So hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. My name is Anis Mukaddam and you're watching AM Vlogs. तो आज की वीडियो बहुत ही स्पेशल है और बहुत ही अलग है. आई थिंक बहुत कम लोगों ने ये टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो बनाई है. टाइटल देख के आपको पता चल गया होगा. ओके सो हमारे साथ अभी सुफियान भाई है. और सुफियान भाई, आपके कितने ब्रांचेस हैं?
Basically, we have 5 branches.
Okay.
In different names.
Okay.
So our base brand name is Luxury Dubai Car.
Okay.
Okay. And specifically, we are divided the fleets.
Okay.
Okay. Now, in some companies, we have already all economic segment.
Okay.
Starting from Yaris, Toyota Corolla, Sportage. आज अपन जो देखेंगे वो है luxury cars.
लग्जरी कार्स.
इस branch में will cover the Audi R8.
Okay.
Will cover the Range Rover SVR, the GLE 63, all high segment cars. Also, we
Okay.
have Rolls-Royce goes for super luxury.
Okay.
Okay.
And what about the affordable price cars?
Affordable price, of course, the car starts from 50 to 60 per day for economy segment, and for
Okay.
luxury cars, the car starts from 400 to 500. per
400
day,
to 500.
which can goes up to 5,000 to 8,000, depends on the cars you
Wow.
want and the model you
Okay.
want.
As I seen earlier, the cars inside has been parked. देखते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं इस वीडियो में. And हमारे साथ आज पूरे वीडियो में जुड़े रहने वाले सुफियान भाई. So सुफियान भाई will be guiding us with all the cars. What are the procedures? What we need to do? Everything. So before going inside, कुछ vibe create होनी चाहिए. तो vibe कैसे create होगी? Cinematics. Enjoy the cinematic.
Right now, what we have available, we will segregate the engine side. At this side, what is selling is a Range Rover Sport SVR.
Okay.
It's a V8 engine, supercharged.
Supercharged.
Yeah. 2020 model.
Okay.
This is 2021 model.
Okay.
It's Audi R8 V10.
Okay.
The next is 2019 model Rolls-Royce Ghost, which is V12 engine.
So what about the pricing?
The luxury car starts from 500. Now for 500, if you say 500, we have Mercedes C200.
Okay.
That comes into normal luxury car. Now we're speaking about this. This is a Range Rover Sports SVR.
Okay.
Normal sports, if you go to higher, it's V6 engine, which costs you around 1,000, 1,100 per day. This beauty will cost you 1,800 to 2,000 per day. Depends for how many days you're hiring. After doing with this, come to Audi RS. Now this is 2021 model. Very few available in rent-a-car market with an engine.
Okay.
And it will cost you from around 1,800 till 2,000 per day. Depends on how many days that you're hiring. Then we come to Rolls-Royce Ghost. Ghost is emblem for super luxury car. And Ghost, it will cost you starting from 2,000 to 2,500. I mean, the mid-range, what we are talking about is this car.
Wow.
It gives you power, it gives you luxury, it gives you comfort, and it feels like king.
Okay.
The name itself is king. King of Rolls-Royce, Rolls-Royce Ghost. You'll see the interior for the SVR. This is the interior for SVR, white with red interior.
Classic.
It has 40 seats, all sports seats from the company. It comes this way. Then we go to Audi RS. We have this Audi RS V10 2021 model. Very, very, very few in market. This is carbon fiber edition. You open it, you see the beauty.
And you can see the feel of this car. It's amazing.
I'll tell you what is the best thing in this car. This car doesn't come with stock exhaust.
Okay.
We have used Aprocovic exhaust. I'll show you how it sounds.
Okay, now let's check the sound as well. और भाई साहब, ये तो अलग ही लेवल का वाइब होने वाला है. So let's check it out. So listen to the sound first.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
So as you heard the acrophobic exhaust sound, it's quite amazing.
Okay, now this is SVR, what we missed. It's a stock exhaust, but SVR is known for its sound and the power,
Okay.
of course, and the speed.
Of course. Okay.
I'll just show you the exhaust.
Yeah, sure.
And we come to Rolls-Royce Ghost again. Now it has power, same power which can beat Range Rover easily.
Okay.
But yeah, it doesn't have sounds. Now this is V12 engine, more bigger engine, but very less noise. But yeah, this car has to be very luxury, and the comfort, you can see the comfort for the car. That's the back seat.
Wow. This is extraordinary.
Black car with red interior, so very common.
I think it's very unique, I guess.
Very unique. I mean, you can't say it red also. It's something like red and brown mix. If you see the carpet for this car also, it's completely like very smooth carpet. One of the best thing, I mean, if for Ghost, it doesn't have here, but for Wraith, we also have Wraith in our fleet, let me tell you. Wraith is not available, it's out, okay? The very unique thing for Rolls-Royce Ghost, which very few cars, I mean, you can say no cars have it. First thing, from company, okay, you get an umbrella for the Ghost,
Okay.
for all Rolls-Royce. We have removed the umbrella for security reasons. I mean, if we keep it, sometimes customers, you know, they misplace the umbrella. So we have removed it.
okay.
This is the
Okay.
umbrella lock for the
This is umbrella
Rolls-Royce.
lock. Okay.
Now I will just turn it on for you, okay? Let's
Okay,
see.
for sure.
It
Yes,
won't
sir.
make much noise, but yeah. I mean,
No
it's
problem.
something we have to do it.
At least we can check it out.
We'll do 2 times. We'll do it for outside also.
Okay.
And you come and sit inside to see if there's any noise.
Yes, yes. Sure, sure. So we'll check the sound for this car.
That's the maximum sound a Rolls-Royce can make.
Yes,
Now we'll
yes.
sit inside and we will see, or we'll break the thing where people say that there is no sound coming inside. We'll try that also.
Okay, sure, sure. Life में पहली बार Rolls Royce में बैठ रहा हूँ. So I don't know the experience. Now we are just checking sound quality from inside.
Just to make, I mean that we are not faking it. Look at the RPM level that we are using it.
Okay. Okay.
So right now there's pin drop silence in the car.
Yes.
I am raving the car. Let's see if it makes noise, and
Okay.
it can be here inside.
Let's see.
You can hardly hear it.
Yeah, hardly hear it.
So that's how it is. That's the quality, how the Rolls-Royce is built.
Okay.
And it's a symbol of luxury. It's a
Of
symbol of,
course.
a king.
And अंदर बैठने का जो vibe है ना वो अलग ही है.
See, I will tell you one thing. There are 2 type of people. One who order it on their own. There are one who buy it what is available.
Okay.
But Rolls-Royce is never available.
Okay.
So we have waited for this beauty, and we have got it delivered in 2019.
Wow.
So it had a completely panoramic roof. Okay.
Yeah.
Same comes for the Rolls-Royce Wraith, but it has only the sunroof, and plus it has the starlights.
Wow.
That's how it is.
Okay.
So that's we have done with Rolls-Royce. Now we'll move to some other
Yeah.
car. Next car, I mean, when you say that you want something unique with your friends, I mean, imagine you're coming here on holiday. 2 to 3 people, max to max 4 people. Or you want to enjoy some bulky car.
Okay.
Plus you want to enjoy the weather in Dubai.
Okay.
Not in summers, but yeah, of course, it's
not
winter.
summer.
There's a beautiful weather in winters. So this is the next car, which is called Range Rover Evoque Convertible.
Okay.
Again, this is also very few available in rental car markets.
Okay. We'll have a look at the interior now.
This car we call it Chota Packet Bada Dhamaka. Okay, why? I'll tell you. This is 2018 model. Specifically, this car is to enjoy the weather. It doesn't have much of power. The lady loves it. And our all cars comes with Apple TV.
We have opened the roof.
Never imagine you are driving at around 18 degree. You have a climate. You have this Range Rover Evoque convertible. You are enjoying the Dubai weather.
Yeah, of course.
What else you want?
We have completed this Range Rover, a Rolls Royce, and we are going for an Audi ride.
This is for the people who wants to drive a luxury car. Again, this is Audi A6.
Okay.
It's a 2021 model.
2021 model.
Okay, you're lucky enough. This car is delivered just 2 days before.
Wow.
Okay, it's a brand new car. Okay, now why Audi A6? Now Audi A6 comes into segment of C200
Okay.
and BMW 5 Series. If you're talking about Audi A6, the 2021 model, it's much more advanced than C200 and much more advanced than, of course, BMW 5 Series. I'll show the interiors for this car.
Sure.
This car comes between 500 to 800 per day. Depends on the car, days of your hiring.
Okay.
That's the interior. You have 2 touchscreen here, 8-inch and 12-inch.
Okay.
I'll turn on the car for you. You can check the kilometers for the car. It's just 40 kilometers you see here. Just delivered from the showroom.
Wow.
See the interior for the car. I mean, very few. Again, 2021 model Audi A6. Subscriber will tell, okay, this car is easily been hired between 400 to 500. Bro, that's the old shape. This is new shape.
Okay, wow.
That's the difference. And we comprehensively we give 250 kilometers of allowance. You'll get 100% comprehensive insurance for you, for the car, and plus for your passengers. That's for Audi A6. Now let me introduce you. This is GLE 63.
Okay.
Now this car, normally you will say GLE is very cheap car. I understand, but this is not only regular your GLE. No, this GLE 63, like Mercedes G63. Now some people have their likes and dislikes, but people think that G63 is not luxury enough. It's rough car. It is rough car, I understand it, but they will go with this car, which is GLE 63. Very few has this test, but I will tell you what this car has power. V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC, and the interior next level.
Wow.
Sporty with carbon fiber plus luxury what you're getting.
Amazing.
If you see the seats, it's luxury plus the sporty seat. I'll show you sound of this car. This car makes beautiful sound.
Wow.
You will love the sound. I'll show you.
Okay, I'm waiting for the sound. Okay, we'll just check out the sound now. Okay.
See the turbo, you can hear the turbo.
Yes.
Hitting it here. You can see the power of the engine. When you hear it, it spits flame. So that's how it is. For you, GLE63 2021 model. For this car specifically, people love it. Who wants to try more power, but not G63 and luxury. Comes GLE63 V8 bi-turbo.
Okay.
Completely carbon fiber edition. It's SVR blue color and white color SVR. Now I'll tell you about SVR.
Okay.
If you see all these cars, SVR, you have two of SVR available. See, SVR is again a Range Rover Sports with a bigger engine, and you are getting bigger engine in the price of when you drive Urus, which is around 4,000 per day. Approx same power you're getting in Range Rover SVR. So it has luxury and it has power and plus the space. Now we have done seeing A6. Okay.
Okay.
In the same category, we have BMW 5 Series.
Okay.
A bit cheaper than A6. Why it will cost you around 400 to 500 dirhams, which as this A6 will cost you 600 to 800 dirhams.
Okay.
Why it is expensive? Because this is a brand new car, new shape. This is 2020 model.
Wow.
And if you see now in this shop right now what we are standing, we have 3 cars in same category.
Okay.
A6,
Okay.
BMW 5 Series. I just turn on your camera and you go that side. That's blue color Mercedes.
Mercedes. Okay, C200. Okay, so this is the car. As well. So now we'll go for the cost. What will be the cost again?
Say cost starting from 250 per day
Okay.
to 300, which is basic luxury car. What
Okay.
we call is Audi A3.
Audi A3, yeah.
We have a promotion going on right now. Audi A3 normal is 350 per day, but we are giving this for 300 per day.
Okay.
And the monthly price is 3,800. 20-30% less than what you're hiring till. In that price, you can easily get Fortuner price.
Okay.
You're getting Audi A3. Of course, the segment is different, but yeah, the luxury has a point. And moving forward to that, we have what we call Mercedes C200 or Audi A6, which we have seen in right now in our fleet. It starts from 400 to 600 per day. Depends on which car you're hiring, which model you are looking out for something SUV, something 7-seater. Your family is here, like say Nissan Petrol. Specifically for us Asian, we have seen lots of Land Cruiser in India, but
Yes.
there are very few Nissan
Very
Petrol.
few,
in India,
yeah.
very few. Now you have your friends, your family coming. Okay, show something your passion for cars, your ability of having Dubai into your own hands. Like say
Showing
Nissan
that
Petrol.
vibe.
Indeed, the vibe of Dubai.
Okay.
Nissan Petrol, the best.
Okay,
The
wow.
pricing starts from 500,
Okay.
which can go max to max is 600. That's a model difference, the power difference,
Okay.
and that's how it is. We have Nissan Petrol. So right now we don't have available, but of course in next vlog sometimes we make. I can show you Nissan Petrol.
Sure,
also.
sure.
So that comes from 500 to 600. Above that we go for BMW 7 Series and Audi A8, which has around 700 to 1000. In between that, S class we have two models. One is the old option, the old shape, which is 2018 and 19, and another one is 2021.
Okay.
But the price range is completely different. The 17 and 18 model price ranges will be between 1000 to 1200. 2021 model, the price goes completely up from 2500
Wow.
to 3000 per day.
Oh God.
Because the cost
It's
of
more
car
expensive,
difference.
yeah.
It's cost, and it has that luxury feel. It has the new technologies.
Okay.
Believe me. Okay, speaking on that, after 1000 to 1500 budget, we have Range Rover Sports, Range Rover Vogue, Range Rover SVR. And after SVR, then we go ahead, like say Audi. I will give you an option, an example. You have budget of 800 to 1200. That's the basic budget what people have it.
Okay.
In that budget, what you can hire. It depends on your taste, what
Yes,
you want to drive.
Of course.
You go with Range Rover Sport, 1000 per day. You go with Range Rover Vogue, 1100 per day. Audi Q8, 1200 per day. You go with Porsche Cayenne, again 1200 per day. Now I've given 4 options in
Okay.
same budget.
Wow, that's great. That's
4
great.
options. Move forward to it, we will have more luxury. Now Bentley Bentayga also we have it. The Bentley Bentayga has 2 options. The one 2021 and 2019.
Okay.
Both are different cars. Both have different shape. There's a facelift into car. If you're talking about 2019 model, you can easily get this car for between 2000 to 2300 per day. And then we go for new shape, which is very expensive, 3000 to 3500. Now you ask me why
Now
it is
this is
expensive.
getting more expensive, yeah.
Why? Now you'll ask me why it is expensive. I'll tell you one thing. The 2021 model, first of all, there are very few in markets.
Okay.
If I count you on my hand, I will tell you there are only 2 or 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, okay.
Out of 2 or 3, one is owned by us. Okay. It's a Bentley Bentayga 2021 model.
Okay.
With black edition. Hardly driven 2000 to 3000 kilometers.
Okay.
And the price of this car we have kept between 3000 to 3500. Then we go ahead. You want something muscular. You want something to see how the Dubai roads are.
Okay.
Which is Lamborghini Urus.
Oh, okay. You're talking about the Lamborghini Urus.
Yes.
Okay.
Now you will be amazed to know this thing. We have 3 Urus. One is matte green color. Another one is red with complete carbon fiber kit. And another one is DY. Now these three Urus. Now you'll ask me 3 Urus, we have 3 different prices.
Why is that so?
Depends on the model.
Okay.
The matte green is 2019 model. Basic car, of course it's Urus. This car will cost you between 3,500 till 3,800. Now we have offer for one thing. We have a red Urus which is completely carbon fiber, 2020 model. Now this car we have on offer. We are giving at the same price what we are giving for 2019 model, which is 3,500 flat. No matter how many days you hire. You hire for 1 day, I'll give you for 3,500. You hire for 2 days, I'll give you 3,500. Or if you're hiring for 1 week, of course we can discuss on discount. So that's how it is. Urus is segregated with the prices.
Okay.
With all cars, what we are giving you on hire, we have given you a kilometers allowance of 250 kilometers.
Okay.
If you are in Dubai, believe me, it's more than enough. If you drive whole day also in Dubai, you are not completing 250 kilometers. So the price starts from 2.5, which goes up to for Huracan Evo Spider, which goes to around 3,800. Beyond that, we'll be of course covering different cars. Now I have one of the car which is also known King of Dubai roads.
Wow.
It should be a surprise to you.
Okay,
and
so we'll wait for the surprise now.
indeed.
Okay, and
We can go there, we'll have a look at that car.
Okay.
Because it's, believe me, it's like next level car and people love it. And
Wow.
when it passes next to you, you'll have a second thought that who is it? You have to think, because this car is driven by the king, the ruler of Dubai. You must have got an idea.
even I am excited now.
Must have got idea whatever which car I'm talking about. But
Yes.
yeah, we will have this a bit surprise and I will show you that car.
Okay, fine, no problem. If you want more videos about this thing, just let me in the comment section.
I mean, you came here, we're happy to have you anytime.
Okay.
But just for your viewers who are viewing this, I will give you one offer.
Listen to this carefully.
Yeah. You haven't seen that car. Okay, it's a Chevrolet Camaro convertible,
Uh-huh.
2019.
Okay.
Normal price of this car is 500 per day, flat 25%.
For my subscriber.
Yeah, for
Wow.
Camaro. Okay, now coming to next cars. Any car which is starting 2,000 plus,
Okay.
you have 5% of discount. People will say, I'm giving you very less discount. Why? I will tell you. Because we are not the people who will have extra price and then go down. We
Yes.
don't do that business.
Okay.
My prices will be a bit higher, 100, 200, but we have that quality of cars.
Exactly.
All cars are maintained in agency.
Exactly.
So that's a cost difference we have to cover.
Yes, yes.
So 5% for any car which is starting more than 2,000 and less than 2,000 is 10%, and like Camaro, 25% flat off.
Okay, so which is the car I'm excited
Yeah,
to see? We'll go for that car. So let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुँच चुके हैं फाइनली. जो कार हम लोग को बतानी थी.
As we spoke last time, we will show you the king of Dubai roads.
Okay.
This is the king of Dubai roads.
here it is. Wow. इसका तो सिनेमैटिक बनता है बॉस. बनता है.
This is 2021 model,
Okay.
G63. Okay, you will see the VIP number plate 70088.
Wow.
If you see the looks of the car, for example, we have two comparison. We'll have this small number plate and the normal number plate.
Okay.
Usually look how the look changes just due to the number plate.
Okay. So we'll go inside and just check it out.
It's a V8 bi-turbo. The sound of this car is also amazing.
Wow.
But not in the level of R8. Of course, that's a sports car.
We'll hear the sound later on.
It's a complete carbon fiber fitted.
Okay.
You can see this is carbon fiber.
As you can see,
Completely
this one,
carbon fiber.
this is carbon fiber.
The car has its own interior light. Power of this car, it's a V8 bi-turbo, as I said you. And this car has a massive calling on Dubai roads.
Wow.
This car is driven by, not specifically this car, but yeah, Mercedes G63 is driven by the ruler of Dubai. And it is well-known car in GCC as well as all over the world. So people, love this car. So normally the old shape, you would have hired it between 1,000 to 1,300.
Okay.
But this car, you will get it between 2,000 to 2,300. Let's take a ride for this car.
Sure. Okay.
Normal. Now see this. Now this has the complete 360-degree camera.
Oh.
For reverse, you have this big screen. For reverse, let's see. We will not see on the mirror. We are only using this camera.
Okay.
And it's a trustworthy. You can see all cars. It has wide-angle reverse camera, so it covers almost everything behind you.
Wow.
I'm using only camera with this
As you
360.
can see this one.
And we go rolling. This is the front camera. Because we shifted to drive mode.
Okay.
The front camera is on.
It's automatically moves.
We have a stretch here. I'll just show you the power of the car.
Okay, sure.
How it goes. We have stretch, straight road.
Okay.
Right now we are at 10 kilometers per hour, 15 kilometers per hour.
Okay.
And I press the brake, the accelerator right now.
That's superpower.
Yeah, you can feel the power
Yes,
inside
yes.
it. You can feel that.
ऐसा गुदगुदी हो गया मेरे पेट में.
So that's Mercedes G63 for you.
As we can see, we have the black one and the silver. Great idea. Okay.
We also have white color in this car.
So what are the pricing you told me?
The pricing starts from 2,000,
Okay.
1,300 per day. Depends on how many days you're hiring. As I
Okay.
said you, for your customers, viewers, you have a flight 5% off on
5%
any cars,
off,
which
okay.
starts more than 2,000.
Okay. Okay.
Once we finish with this G63, we have a very special car.
Okay.
This car is RS model of Audi, which is called RS Q3.
Okay.
Now this car is completely 2021 model.
Wow.
And let me tell you, this is the only one RS Q3 right now available in Rent-A-Car.
Wow.
No one has RS Q3.
RS Q3.
RS Q8 you will find it, but not RS Q3.
Just have a look from outside first. So this is the car what we are speaking of, and as you can see this, we'll go inside and we'll check it out.
Completely sporty interior. Okay, it's Quattro. Quattro is one of the best engine provided by Audi. Like Mercedes has AMG, Audi has Quattro. We'll take a short ride. Wide angle rear camera and 360-degree camera. This car also has a massive power. The normal Q3s are very cheaper. This car is a bit expensive. You will get this car between 1,000 to again 1,200.
Oh.
Now in budget of 800 to 1,500, now you have number of cars.
Okay.
This is one of those. I'll show you the power of this car once we get the stretch again. What we did same for G63.
And I'll show you the road right now. How fast we can go
Stretch.
from here to there. Okay.
Here we go at yeah.
Oh.
It's not too much bulky car. It's built on very small chassis.
Okay.
And it has really very massive power. Okay. And if you compare this with G63, if you don't like bulky cars, you want small SUV, but you want good power in the car.
Okay.
Believe me, this is the catch. I mean, this is like next level of racing SUV. Audi RS Q3. Again, the pricing starts from 1,000 per day till
Okay.
1,200, 1,300. Depends on how many days
Okay.
you want to hire it. You must be having lots of questions, you know,
Yes. Yes.
about documents required, the pricing of the cars, the deposit, the refundables, the rules and regulations of Dubai.
Yeah. Yeah. So a lot of people ask me the question, how to rent a car in Dubai? Okay.
They're very easy steps. Okay, if you have money, you can rent a car. First step is that.
Yeah. Sure. Of
The
course.
second steps, if your residence here will require your Emirates ID copy and your driving license copy.
Okay.
And if you have a credit card, it's much more better. We will block an amount from 3,000 to 5,000, depends on which car you're hiring.
Okay.
For a car like G63, we will be having only 3,000 deposit, and any sports car you hire, we'll have a 5,000 dirham deposit.
Okay. Wow.
The deposit, there are two things. People here normally think that deposit once given doesn't come back. What we do, we will have your credit card and we will show you the proof that this is blocked. Because if you see the receipt which comes from the machine, there are two types of receipt. One says it is pre-auth, one says it is purchased. So when it is purchased, it's taken from your account. But when it is pre-auth, it says it is blocked for your card.
Okay.
So in that case, we are safe from our side, you are safe from your side. If any
Okay.
fine comes or any damages for the car comes, we can claim it from the block amount. If you are coming here as a tourist, and if you're Asian, okay, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and if you want to hire a car, I'll tell you about India, okay? I know the cost of India. You can get from your normal RTO office, you can go and apply for international license,
Okay.
which has validity of 1 year. And this 1 year validity, you will get it for minimum from 1,000 to 2,000 rupees.
Okay.
You get an international license, come to us with your international license, give us your visit visa copy, your passport copy, and your international driving license copy.
Okay.
That's it. Again, the deposit remains the same for everyone,
Same. Okay.
and that's you can hire a car.
Okay.
And about Dubai routes, I will tell you very clearly, they are very strict with the rules. First of all, I mean, when you hire such a big car, like say any Ferrari or car which makes more noise,
Okay.
if you are raving anywhere in public place, you can catch up easily up till 10,000 dirham of fine.
Oh.
Because you're making sound pollution and you're disturbing other people.
Okay. Exactly.
Otherwise, if you're following the rules, this is the beautiful country to have as you as a tourist, and they are very. I mean, there are lots of scenes where you can go drive your cars, and that will. The kilometers limit are easily written on the roads. The minimum fine of the speeding starts between 600 and goes up to. There's no limit.
There is no limit. Yeah.
There's no limit. The more fast you drive, the more fine you fetch.
Yes,
Simple
exactly.
as it.
Yeah.
Follow the rules. We are good. We are always happy to help you. Anything happens for breakdown of the car, you have to just give a call. Within, if you are in Dubai, within half an hour, you will be replaced car within half an hour. We'll be
Okay.
taking our car back. It's a machine. It
Okay.
can
Yes,
go,
of
but
course.
it's a brand new car. We never have any issue with the car. God forbid anything happens, we'll send you replacement car on the spot wherever you are in Dubai, free of cost.
Okay.
And if you want to hire a car anywhere in Dubai, the car goes to you free of cost. It will be delivered at your doorstep.
Thank you so much. And if you want me to cover any more of the points from this car rental video, please let me know in the comment section below. अगर आपको और videos cover करने car rental के बारे में तो सुफियान भाई हमें guide कर सकते हैं with other cars as well. But आज के दिन में इतने cars available नहीं थे जितने cars available थे आज की वीडियो में आपको बता दिया. तो अगर आपको डिटेल में जानना है about these things, so let me know in the comment section below. Okay. And thank you so much सुफियान भाई for guiding us and thank you so much for showing us the car. And मैंने ये पहली बार एक्सपीरियंस किया है ये सारे कार्स के साथ. एंड आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो. ओके, तो सारी चीज़ें हो गई, लेकिन एक चीज़ का अभी तक मैंने इसमें जिक्र नहीं किया. दैट इज़ हाउ you can contact them.
You can send me a message on Instagram.
Okay.
Just type @Luxury Dubai Cars. Okay. Or you can WhatsApp me or call me.
Okay. So I'll give you the number in description below. Okay.
If you want, we have different locations. We can deliver car in Barsha.
Okay.
We have an office there. One in Dera.
Okay.
One in Abu Hail.
Wow.
Also one in Garwood.
Okay.
We can deliver there. If you want to deliver at your doorstep, we can do that free of cost anywhere in Dubai.
So I hope you have got the information for this one as well. So
Anyways,
that's it.
they can contact you also.
Yeah, okay. Follow me on Instagram if you want to, and if you want to check out the pictures as well for this beast, you can go and check it out on Instagram. So that's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, do not forget to hit on like button, share, subscribe. आपको जो करना है कर सकते हो. And मिलते हैं अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए शुक्रन. मा सलामा या हबीबी. We are done for the day. अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इतनी मेहनत देखने के बाद तो एक लाइक तो बनता है. ठीक है.